Okay, we have the 2021 KTM 250 XCF. Pretty well torn down. Got the shock of the forks off. Got the motor out. Most of the plastics are off. The motor has been taken to Donnie Kelly Motorsports for a fresh top end and bottom end. The shocks have been sent to Factory Connection to be rebuilt. And next, I'm going to completely take everything off of the frame and clean the frame up real good. That'll start with the removal of the radiators. Then we'll remove the ECU and the battery, all this wiring, handlebars, controls, and then we'll be just down to the frame and we can give it a good cleaning. I got the ECU out. Took the holder up for the ECU out. Got this off of here. Got this wire running over here to a connector that I don't believe this was connected to anything. Pretty sure it was not. So, not sure what that's for even. I'm trying to get this out. Okay, so I've got this little doodad, which has an up on it. It goes right there, goes down into there. Now this is free. I think I just need to peel these up, pull this wiring harness back, and then I'll have the subframe free. Alright, taking the throttle body off of the air intake. Got this connected here. The throttle cables. And then down below, we got two connectors. One there, one there. Yeah, that's the starter cable. Alright, taking the throttle cable off now. You need to remember that the long one, the one that goes up to the throttle, well, they both do. Shit. Okay, so the one with the orange tag on it, the one with the orange tag is the far one. It goes towards the red knob. Orange tag, the red knob. Okay. Doing the throttle body. This right here goes into this right here. So this one goes to there. And now I'll take this one off of here. Right there, it goes in the bottom. Okay, I've got the subframe off, the air intake, throttle body, lots of connectors on the throttle body. Really hope I can figure out where all those go when I gotta take this back and put this back together. But, here's the subframe. You can see how nasty it is, in dire need of a cleaning. And taking the radiators off now. So I've got her all apart. I got the frame just about stripped down. I think I've got everything off that I want. At this point, I'll just need to clean it really good. And I'm gonna grease some stuff up on the swing arm, which is on the ground over there. And then put her all back together and wait on the motor and the shocks to come back. But there she is.